Welcome to MetaMask versus Coinomi. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to the products are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare the features, usability, and target users of these two wallets to help you decide which suits your needs. MetaMask is primarily designed for the Ethereum ecosystem, supporting Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. It's available as a browser extension and a mobile app, making it perfect for users who interact frequently with decentralized applications, dApps, and DeFi platforms. One of MetaMask's standout features is its seamless integration with Ethereum-based ecosystems, enabling easy token swaps and dApp connectivity. Its simple interface is ideal for users new to DeFi or NFTs, while its advanced features, like customizable gas fees, also cater to more experienced users. MetaMask's target audience includes DeFi traders, NFT collectors, and those looking for a reliable wallet to interact with Ethereum-based networks. Coinomi, on the other hand, is a multi-asset wallet supporting over 1,700 cryptocurrencies and tokens across various blockchains, making it a go-to choice for users with diverse crypto portfolios. Available on mobile and desktop, Coinomi provides a user-friendly interface, built-in exchange, and enhanced privacy by not collecting user data. It supports multiple blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Chain, offering flexibility to users who trade or hold multiple assets. It also allows you to connect to dApps via Web3 browser integration, making it a versatile option. Coinomi is tailored for users who prioritize cross-chain compatibility and privacy while managing an extensive crypto portfolio. When comparing the two, MetaMask excels in Ethereum-focused use cases like DeFi and NFTs, offering superior dApp connectivity. However, its limitation to Ethereum-based tokens can be a drawback for users who hold assets across various blockchains. Coinomi, on the other hand, stands out for its multi-chain support, making it ideal for those managing a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. If you're an Ethereum enthusiast or an active participant in the Ethereum ecosystem, MetaMask is the better choice. But if you're seeking a wallet that supports a vast range of assets with additional privacy, Coinomi is the winner. Check the links in the description for more details and let us know which wallet you prefer.